Hello everyone, welcome to Analytixcloud. This is your host Gaurav, and today we are coming up for an announcement that we are releasing Master Azure Data Engineering course that is going to get started from 28th of January, and it is 3 months course, and we will be taking classes on Saturday and Sunday, and it is designed for all those individuals who wants to get a job into Azure Data Engineering. So we either you belong from a non-technical background, or if you want to change your domain to data, this course is meant for you, where we have taken all the considerations by curating this course for all those individuals who will be starting from the scratch. So you don't need any prerequisite. We will be starting from all the topics that is required in today's world to become a data engineer. So for more details into the syllabus, you can visit our website www.analytixcloud.com and you can download the syllabus there. Also, you could enroll us for this batch by end of this week, so that you can also avail some special discount that is currently ongoing. So if I talk to you about the topics or the modules that we will be covering, we will be starting with the basics of SQL, and then we will go to the advanced SQL, and we will be going with what is data, what is big data, and how exactly the cloud is serving the purpose. Like, we will be talking about Microsoft Azure Cloud. We will be covering some of the Microsoft Azure components like Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks. Before going to the Databricks, we will also be covering bits and pieces of PySpark and Python, so that you could understand how exactly Databricks play the major role in today's world. Also, we will be covering overview of CI/CD in Azure DevOps, so that you should be well versed of how exactly the real project works, where how do you do the deployment from your development from one branch to basically from one environment dev to quality and production. Also, we will be covering Azure Synapse, and let me tell you, we also have an additional features that we are giving, as in, like, after every modules we are providing you with doubt sessions. Also, we will be coming up with this interview questions that will be designed for that specific modules. Also, by end of this course, we are coming up with this mock interviews that will be done for all of our enrollments. Whoever has enrolled, we will be taking mock interviews, and we will be helping them with this interview preparation support. So this course basically is for all of you who wants to get into data engineering, where we will also be giving you few projects, so that you could put that projects onto your resume, and while you work on that project, it will give you an enough hands-on in order to survive in the data engineering field, right? So looking forward to see you guys into the class. Probably if you want to get into data engineering, this is the best course for you. And also, if you have not subscribed our channel, I would request you to subscribe our YouTube channel, where we will be keep on coming up with the latest updates regarding the new course that we will be posting, and new videos with respect to any Azure and SQL and PySpark that we will be posting on the YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Thank you for giving your time. Have a nice day.